Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the Omega symbol on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the Omega symbol on Microsoft Office Word web? You just click on the insert option here and you can see the symbol. Actually it's on a Omega symbol. Click on the symbol and you can find the symbol here. If it is not here, just click here and click on the more symbol option here and you can find the Omega symbol from this table. So if it is really you didn't find the symbol here, you can also insert from clicking on the keyboard shortcut Windows plus dot. So this will open the Windows key pop-up tab which having a more symbol. Click on the symbol option here. Now you just change the symbols here and you just find the symbols from, you can find the symbol Omega symbol from here. Actually you can use this tool also, or you just click on the symbol option here and you can use the symbol, you can pick the symbol from on the top of that. And I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.